A mysterious hum is driving entire towns to madness, but here's the kicker: only some people can hear it. This baffling phenomenon, known as the hum, has plagued communities from New Mexico to the UK, leaving scientists and residents alike scratching their heads. Imagine living in a place where a low-frequency drone disrupts your sleep, causes headaches, and never seems to stop, except for those who can't hear it at all. Studies have tried to pinpoint its source, ranging from industrial equipment to natural phenomena, yet no definitive answer exists. While some dismiss it as a mass delusion, those tormented by the noise swear it's real, sparking debates and even community-led investigations. It's an auditory enigma begging for a solution, but for now, it remains an unsolved mystery that continues to hum along, unheard by some and unbearable for others.